up, guys? This is RJ from RJ Tech HD, and as you guys can see, I finally got me a PC from my favorite company, and let me just say, NZXT is one of my favorite PC case, and any type of PC related topic genre, you get the drift. So basically, I bought this PC for about $900+, and I finally get to open this. I've been waiting for, honestly, not even a week for this. It's been about 23rd, only a total of like 3 days, honestly. So I'm excited to open this up and get my PC started. Alright guys, I got my box cutter here from Nintendo Switch Unboxing, which I honestly didn't even need, but I'm obviously gonna need it for this big box. I'm gonna give you guys one more look at this. I will get a different angle for you, but I have to record this by myself, so you know, let's get it. Let's get into this. Okay. Alright. Rotate it this way. Alright, so we'll open it from the top. Okay. So you guys probably wondering, why did I choose this starter PC and not build my own PC? Some people DM me asking me why I didn't build my own PC. Well, I needed something kind of fast because honestly, I need to get back into producing more videos for you guys, because I've been slacking on uploads because of my current computer, and it would have took too long for me to find a whole bunch of other parts and pay separately for all those. So I just thought, you know what, why not go to the best PC company in my opinion, which is NZXT, and just get a pre-build. So I got that. They built it already, and now I need to figure out how to lift this thing out. Alright, you want to help me, bro? You ever have to try to be careful to lift this thing out? Alright. Alright, careful. Okay. Alright. Okay. Whew. And I see they got one of the brand new H510 mid-tower ATX cases. Now, I remember seeing this like around 2019 or 2018 sometime. I think it was 2019 basically. Oh, you good. I think it was 2019, so wow. That's pretty cool. Alright. Let's try to pull this out now. Wow, I can feel the tempered glass. Okay. How should we take this out? Oh, we can open both sides up, or this side? Oh, that's not going to be possible. Hold on. I want to ruin the box. I want to keep the box in case if I want to do something with this in the future. Hold on. I'm going to flip it like this. Okay, gotcha. Pull it up. Alright, Mom, come into the shot. Mom, this channel's been running for a long time. They already know you. I'm not gonna need that. Styrofoam won't be needed. I can just get some new styrofoam and just model it to the shape. Alright, be very careful. Try to pull that out, pull the box. Ready? Oh, God.
It's in there.
Yeah, it's in there, right? That's a good thing to keep the PC. I spent quite a lot of money on this. Alright,
so maybe you take this out.
yeah, pick up the styrofoam. I ready to pick this up so Bella doesn't eat on it. There you go. This is what I have to do. We're struggling, just 3 of us are struggling to get this PC out the thing.
You know what? Can you put it on the ground, please?
I don't, and I need to be very careful with that. Probably careful with the glass, but that glass could break. I can just open it from the bottom and just do that thing when with the boxes.
So can you just set this part on the floor? Is this the bottom part?
That's the bottom part. What? You got it? Oh, he got it. Perfect. Alright, and they got this in here. Tempered glasses handled with care. Alright. Oh, wow. Okay. Those are some power cables and alright, as you guys can see, and thank you. Alright. Let's see what's in here. We got something from MSI. Wow. Man, this is so cool. Opening my own PC. I know I didn't build it, but I still feel that same amount of success. That got me a PC that I can work with. That's a great feeling. Looking at all of these instructions just to make sure I don't miss anything. For the case, for the GPU, everything. Alright, I want to get off topic of that, but let's get through all this right here. I think I know what these cables are. That. Oh, perfect. I did not know that was going to include these cables into here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright. So we got the power cable right here. And lastly, I think this is this is for the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi card that goes in here. That basically means that I can have Wi-Fi wirelessly instead of having an Ethernet port. Use that, the cable Ethernet port. Or I don't have to worry about having an external adapter for Bluetooth. So that's really great that I can have those things inside of the PC. And I need to get a different angle. Alright guys, I just need to take out this bag inside of the case. It's just to protect the case from any type of damages, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I do not want to make no mistakes. I think I just made a mistake. Oh no. Alright, I definitely made a mistake. Alright. So I'm taking the back panel off just to look through it. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I've seen it in videos tons of times, but I don't even know how to take this off. Oh, never mind. I have to be very careful because this is glass I'm working with right here. It would suck if all that money went down the drain, so. Oh my God! I almost dropped the glass. I have to take this thing out of here. Oh Lord. Guys, I am keeping this footage on the camera because that scares the living life out of me. Alright, so you see the first. I almost dropped the glass and it's just right here sitting in my hand because I'm scared of letting it go. So I'll put it right over here. Hopefully I won't have to open the case again ever. But let's get a close-up of what we got here. We got a good GPA and all in this, guys. So I'm gonna end the video right here, and there will be a follow-up video just to show the performance specs and everything of this computer and see how this budget build from NZXT works. So drop a like if you guys like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.